All right, I just want to take this time and say thank you guys so much for watching my videos. But if you want to continue to keep seeing more content, please do subscribe. It would help me a lot. Again, hit that subscribe button, and every week I will be uploading videos. And share it. Share it with your friends, your family, your neighbor, whoever. So thank you so much. Hi friends, welcome to What's Cooking Coco. Today we're gonna do something totally different and just in time for not only summer, but for 4th of July. Okay. So this one's gonna be geared more towards like the kids, okay? I have 4 kids, so we're gonna do this. Not only for kids, but for grown-ups, they're yummy. So we are gonna make ice candies. Now ice candies are literally like popsicles, but in the Philippines, they call it ice candies. And so it was my husband's idea to let's make some ice candy and let's get the kids involved and let's sell them. So that's what we're gonna do. So these are the things that we are going to need to put this together, okay? We're just gonna need some ice pop bags. You can get these on Amazon. You can find some even at the grocery store. I will go ahead and tag a link below to everything that you're gonna need with the ingredients and everything. So please make sure that you double checked in the description, okay? We're gonna need these. We're gonna need some sugar. We're gonna need your favorite fruit. And yeah, I'm just gonna show you exactly how we're gonna do it and how it's just gonna be so quick and so yummy in time for the summer and 4th of July weekend, okay? We're gonna need is we're gonna do some strawberries, and that's what the fruit that I'm gonna be using. You can do mango, coconut, you can do like a fruit medley, whatever it is that you wanna do, go ahead and do. And this is 32 ounces of strawberries, and I'm just gonna, I already pre-washed them, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just cut off all the ends, just like that. Okay, so got them all chopped up there. We're gonna have to boil 2 liters of water, which is 8 cups. So 2 liters of water we're gonna go ahead and boil. I'm gonna go ahead and measure out 1 cup of sugar. We're gonna put that in there, okay? So let's do that. I'm gonna just whisk it together here so that dissolves, okay? And then we're just gonna add our sweetened condensed milk, just like that. Just a regular can, 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. And all of this is just gonna boil. So now I have my strawberries, and I'm just gonna go ahead and throw them in the blender, just like that, okay? And I'm gonna reserve a couple of them because I'm gonna add some strawberry chunks to my thing. Then we're gonna add our evaporated milk, okay? Just like that. And we're gonna give it a blend till it gets to a puree, okay? So here we go, it's gonna be loud. Okay, so now that our strawberry is pureed, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go ahead and strain it through a strainer, okay? Just like that, okay? So you don't get a ton of strawberry seeds. Okay, so now that we've got everything pureed, what we're going to do is we're gonna need 1 cup of water and a bowl, okay? And some cornstarch. We're gonna just go ahead and add the cornstarch. This is very important because as we're making our ice candy, we want to have that cornstarch thicken everything up. So when your ice candy or your popsicle, however you wanna call it, when you open it, it's so nice and creamy. Make sure there are no lumps in this mixture here. Okay, now that this has been boiling, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and add my strawberry puree mixture in just like that. And we're gonna keep stirring for a couple of seconds to a couple of minutes because we wanna make sure that we're feeling that it's thickening up, okay? And I can already feel it getting thick. Look at that. Now that we have added everything in there and it's thickening up pretty nicely, I'm just gonna go ahead, I've tasted it, and we're gonna need to add a little bit more sugar. Remember, this is ice candy, so we wanted to make sure that it's sweet enough so when we put it in the freezer, we know it's not gonna be bland in flavor, okay? Okay, so now that we've allowed our mixture to cool down, remember I preserved some of these strawberries and I just chopped them up, okay? And I'm just gonna dump a little bit. I took some of it out of there because I'm gonna use this to pour in because it has a little spout, okay? Okay, so I just picked these up off of Amazon. They come 125 of them, and it comes with the plastic ice pop container things, and it comes with a cool little funnel, okay, so that way you don't make a mess. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that. It has a fill line right there to where you need to make sure that you stop the fill, okay? And we're just gonna go ahead and pour in there, just like that. And if some of the strawberries get stuck, just go ahead and use like a chopstick, see? Perfect. Try to get as much air as you can out. And there we have one. Look at that. Okay, and we're just gonna keep filling until our entire mixture is gone. Okay, so now that we finished our first batch, all we're gonna have to do is pop it in the freezer anywhere from about 4 to 6 hours. If not, do it overnight. So do it the night before, and then by the next day, they'll be all ready to eat. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put it in the freezer overnight, and then it'll be ready tomorrow. All right, so it's been overnight, and now our ice candies are already done. They're complete, and this is exactly what they look like. Look at that. Look at the bits of strawberry. Oh my goodness, when you bite into that, it's gonna be amazing. So let's taste it. I made myself a little one here from the leftovers that I had yesterday. And let's just, usually just, the big ones, you just pop in half. Let's make sure that, oh my gosh, look at how creamy. Oh my gosh! Mm. These ones came out really good. I mean, on a hot day, this is clutch for the kids, for even you. I hope you try these. They're super easy and they're fun. And if you want the kids coming at you, then make these for them. All right, thank you guys so much for joining me in the kitchen. Have a wonderful weekend and happy 4th of July. Bye.